Installing terracotta tiles. What to expect when the professionals get to work. Terracotta tiles are a great choice for homeowners in Surrey. However, the installation process is intricate and requires professional expertise to ensure a flawless finish. This guide gives insights to the process and highlights elements a homeowner should be aware of. Make sure you are happy with the installer's layout plan and that the tile pattern, process and timescale meets your need. When preparing the floor, ensure the contractor uses appropriate dust control. You don't want dust turning up all over your home. If you have an older house without a damp-proof membrane, or the flooring is in a wet area, check if the installation needs a moisture barrier. Check how the contractor ensures cleanliness during installation. You may want to consider cleaning and sealing the tiles before installation to make cleanup easier. If the tiles have not been sealed before laying, they should be sealed before grouting to aid grout cleanup and prevent residual grout spots that can be very difficult to clean off terracotta tiles. Become familiar with the different sealing options for terracotta and their maintenance needs. Traditional sealing with oils, wax needs regular upkeep. Modern sealers offer longer lasting and easy maintenance finishes. Understanding each step, you will get the beautiful floor you're looking for, that will look beautiful for years to come. For more details, check out our article at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk.